Hello, 9th standard student. Today we are going to solve the set 4.2 of a lesson construction of a triangle. The first question I will read here. Construct the triangle XYZ such that YZ is equal to 7.4 and angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree. And xy minus xz is equal to 2.7. Here the difference between the two sides are given. One side is base is given, one angle is given, and the difference between the two sides. So for that we are taking some here explanation. Take a point W. I will draw the rough diagram. As per information, I will give the given measurements. So yz is equal to 7.4. Angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree, and for this we take a while as a while ray. For that angle we extend the ray while, and on that while we are taking W at this point, so that the distance between Y and W is equal to 2.7. That is the difference between the two sides of a triangle. Here xy, by observing the figure, xy is equal to xw, xy is equal to, because w is in between them, so xy is equal to xw plus wi, but wi is we have taken here 2.7. So by transferring this on the left side, it will become minus, so xy minus xw is equal to 2.7 centimeter. We consider this equation as 1. Then xy minus xz, that is given. Xy minus xz is equal to 2.7, that is given. So both of the equation are the same because this value is the same. So we can say that xy minus xw is equal to, means right hand side is equal, so left hand side also equal, so these two sides are equal, but xy and xy are the common. So by eliminating it, by dividing by a minus sign, we will get xw is equal to xz, means xw and xz, these two sides are equal in length. So we can say that x is lies on a perpendicular bisector this of a wz. So by using this information, we will construct our triangle. So firstly we draw the base. What is the base given? Base is the 7.4. So by using the scale, we are taking it 7.4. It is this length, YZ length, base 7.4 centimeter. Then by using a protractor, we are taking the angle Y is equal to 40. So pointer of a protractor taken here by in a straight line. By keeping this, we get the angle 45, means 40 after 5 lines. So 45. Therefore, we draw the ray YL up to some extent, increase it. So this is the ray YL. On this ray YL, we are taking the distance YW as a 2.7. 2.7. So we mark it by putting this one point on Y. We mark it. That is the distance is 2.7 centimeter. 2.7 centimeter. Then that point is denoted by a W. That point is denoted by a W. Then then we join here WJ. Then after we join the WJ this, and So we will get this is not our triangle because we want to fix the point X. Here is the W is taken. So to find out the point X, we firstly draw the perpendicular bisector of the segment WZ because we derived previously. So by taking a distance less than and marking above and below, again by marking above and below, if not touching this line, then again make it elongate your arc. So we can get the 2 points. So join these 2 points. We find out the perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector of this side XZ. So by extending it, this perpendicular bisector meets the ray wire at one point. That point is our X. So by joining it, because these two distances are equal in length, improved these two lengths are equal in length. So we will get our required triangle XYZ because these two sides are equal. If we measure this YZ and XY, or the XY and XZ, by subtraction with XY with the XZ, we will get this difference 2.7. So it is our constructed triangle. Then we are solving the question number 2. We are solving the question number 2. The question number 2, construct the triangle PQR such that the QR, the base is given 6.5 centimeter and angle PQR is given 40 degree. PQ minus PR, the difference is what? PQ minus PR is equal to what? 2.5. So for that we are drawing the rough diagram of the given triangle and by substituting the values. Then we start our construction. Here QR is the base, so it is a 6.5 taken by scale. I am taking it. Then by writing the distance segment of that segment, this is 6.65 centimeter. Then again by following the same process as we used in example number 1, the angle Q, by putting the point of a protector on a Q in a straight line, putting it, and by taking a 40 degrees, we can draw the ray. We can draw the ray. Give any name to that ray. We have given the M ray, M. Then take a distance of a QS. Take a distance. Already we explained it why we take this. So QS is equal to 2.5. Take it in a around up. I have taken the distance 2.5 and by putting, because it is a distance QS, so by putting on a Q, we make the marking on this ray that is denoted by S. Then by joining S and R, then by joining the S and R, then find out draw the perpendicular bisector of this SR. So by taking the distance less than it, by putting on one point, making marking upside and downside. Then again, by keeping the same distance, again marking upside and downside. If the arcs are not intersecting, then again extend it. So we will get the 2 points by joining these 2 points. By joining these 2 points, we will get the perpendicular bisector. So draw this perpendicular bisector first. Then extend it so that we get the point between the intersection of this ray and this perpendicular bisector of this segment. So we will get the point P. So join the PR. So we will get our required triangle PQR here. So we solve the question number 2. We are going to solve the question number 3. Question number 3. Construct a triangle ABC such that the base BC is given 6 cm. Angle ABC is upper 80 degree. AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 cm. So we firstly draw the rough diagram and filling the given information. For that, we require the AC minus AB is equal to 2.5. But here, in the first example, first and second, AB is greater. Means one side, this side line lies on this ray is a greater. But in this example, this side is a smaller than AC, the another side. So we can take the downward because example number 1 and 2 we draw it upside. But the difference in this example, because AB is less than AC, so it will draw downward. It will draw downward. So we let it start. This first from the base. Base is the 6 cm. So we are drawing on a downward. So by lifting some lines downside also, draw this base of a 6 cm. Then what is the angle given? 80 degree. Angle B is given 80 degree. So by marking it on the 80 degree, draw the ray on both, which is extending on the both side. Which is extending on the both side, downward also. Okay. Then extend it up to some extent. Write the measurement of an angle that is of 80 degree. Then take a distance BD such that it is a 2.5. In a rounder, we are taking the distance 2.5. But it will be taken on the downward, not upward. So we will get this distance, give the name, any name, BD is equal to 2.5. Then join the line DC. Here not upward line, join the lower line because here AB is less than AC. So draw it, join these 2 points. After joining these 2 points, we want to find out the perpendicular bisector. We want to find out here, little correction. We want to find out the perpendicular bisector of the given segment. Here we will draw the perpendicular bisector of the segment CD. So by taking distance less than it, we can make the marking above and below. Again, by keeping on a D, we are making the marking above and below. Here they are intersecting. Here these points are intersecting. Make the marking and join this segment. Join this segment intersect the given ray at point. That point is denoted by a A. So we will get the required and join A and C, so that these two sides are also the equal in length, and this is the perpendicular bisector. So we will get our required triangle A, B, C. So we completed this 4.2. Thank you.